and me, we are 3 hours into our road trip and we are just stopping. Found a Starbucks. I truly do not need any more caffeine because I prepared an iced coffee before leaving. Might as well get something, so let's see. Hi, how are you? Better. So my other Chanel earring broke. I'm just done. Really, girlfriend? This Target beauty section is so nice. I'm gonna have to show you all. Let's flip the camera. I'm gonna have to go over there. That's a me and happy Saturday. It is bright and early Saturday morning. The husband ran to Starbucks for my mare and I, so it's like a family trip. We have 3 rooms in this hall, my brother, my mare, and of course us. So yesterday we had such an amazing dinner with my sister and her family. So nice. Mexican restaurant. I did a little recording. You all would have seen. Today, I think we are all going to go out for like breakfast or lunch. I'm going to find a coffee shop somewhere. It's been so long. I used to live down here, like in the Hampton Roads area for a year or 2. So it's nice. So much has changed. We're going to go shopping. I want to do a bit of thrifting. There wasn't like consignment shops when I lived here. Granted, this was like years ago, but how my nails match the Starbucks emblem. Maybe that's why I like this color so much. But baby China's fine. So yeah, so we're just gonna go out today. Really no solid plans. We're just kind of taking things as it goes. We do a little editing while everyone's getting dressed. So I will check back in when I can. Alrighty, ciao for now. See, Ben.
This is ridiculous. This is my mom's shoe. And look where we driving. Look where we driving. Look where he's... But this is how my mama lived. I'm sorry I have failed her.
I said, stop clapping them
Make her
together.
clap.
But Jessica came up.
She said her boo right there.
Sure, Mez and me. I hope that you all can hear me. If not, I will have to add captions. But we have made our first stop. We are back on the road, returning home. It is so hot. It is the humidity. I forgot how bad the humidity is down south. The weekend, it was so much fun. We had such a great time, although we didn't get to do anything that I had planned because it actually flooded. Well, 2 of the restaurants I had reservations at flooded out because, of course, I'm still, really don't like being in closed spaces with a lot of people. So all of the restaurants I selected were outdoors. They were all flooded. We ended up going to like a chain restaurant, but it didn't even matter. I was with my family and we had so much fun. So we are in, I don't think we're in Richmond. I'll find out exactly where we are. but it's really cute rest stop. They have like the love statue outside. We may take a photo there, but if not, you know, I'll catch you all up when I get home. I am editing for the most part using this time in the car because it is Sunday and I want to post on Tuesday. Monday I have a pretty full day. Jujuthecamerakid has a lot of appointments, but it sounds loud and I feel like I'm yelling, so I'm going to pick back up either when we get in a car or sometime soon. But I hope that you are well, and I'll check back in when I can. Alrighty, ciao for now. Bonjour, mes amis. It is late Sunday evening. We made it home. Pretty much took most of the afternoon because we stopped in several cities so I could check out coffee shops and of course baby Gina and all. I put in our grocery order when we were about 2 hours from the house. So that just arrived. I want to put away the groceries, get ready to finish editing the vlog. Let me get this away. If I do not check back in tonight, I will tomorrow. Alrighty, ciao for now. I like those. Okay, try on the others. Let's see. Those are nice, Jew. Wait, give it to me. Well, fix them on your face. You don't like these, Jill?
I want just one.
I really like. I'll buy you a chocolate croissant.
You know what?
Me, I hope you all can hear me. I am in the car, and I know it's a bit difficult to hear sometime. A dear Mazami came through with some amazing constructive criticism, and that's what I love. Like, have a solution, not just, you know, a, oh, you did this wrong kind of thing. So I absolutely love it. I have ordered a mic. It should be here sometime this week. Pretty full morning. Had to run a lot of errands with Jujuthecamerakid, and it's always fun to just spend quality time alone with just him. That was nice. I initially wanted to stop at Dior, but I'm exhausted. Yesterday, just the weekend, traveling, you know, you need like breaks from the heading home. I think the husband placed like a dinner order because neither of us feels like doing anything. He said, just get home safely. I have the Clico on ice. Was so happy to hear that. And I am going to finish up my vlog that I will be posting tomorrow. Yesterday, I pretty much finished it like on the ride home, but there were so many issues with iMovie, like the actual app kept closing. It was awful, so I'm hoping I'll have better luck today. I will check back in when I can. I may record a bit once I get home. Who knows? We'll see. We'll see. It's just Monday. I still have time. So, yeah. Alrighty. Ciao for now. Bonjour, mes amis, and happy Tuesday. I don't remember why I came up to the dressing room, but while I'm here, I'll record. Oh my goodness, this morning has just been hilarious. My Nespresso, that's like the first piece of technology I use every morning. Well, not really my phone, but nonetheless, I'm over on Instagram every morning. I like record myself with my slippers walking over to the machine, or my trainers because I'm typically going for a walk. Nonetheless, it's part of my process. My machine was not working today. I have no clue what was wrong. I was Googling, YouTubing, all of the troubleshooting. I could not have my espresso before I left for my walk, and that just threw me off because I always have my espresso before walking. Tried everything, finally got it to work. So this is on the heels of me having technical issues with my vlog yesterday. Vintage Mezzanino, I have had so many issues with like exporting and uploading my vlogs, but that was on my old laptop. I have a new one now, and a lot of the issues before were due to like storage issues or the lack thereof. That was not the case this time. I ended up calling Apple support and they were useless, absolutely useless. Like the guy who helped gave me all the elementary kind of support. Oh, restart your computer, restart your laptop, make sure it's updated, delete the app, reinstall the app, all of the things that I had done before calling them. What was most disappointing is not that they couldn't solve my issue, is that he didn't even try to escalate it. Because I've had so many issues in the past, I know the steps. Usually you start here. If they can't do it, they keep kicking you up. He never even gave me that option. So that was so disheartening. I ended up fixing it, saving the day rather, saving my vlog. I was able to fix it, and I'm just so over these places. It's like we spend so much money on these products and we continue to get subpar customer service, but I'll leave it on that. But I don't think I want to leave the house again today. Yesterday was a very long day. I'm thinking I'll just chill, work on a blog post because I didn't post to my blog last week. So my schedule is Tuesdays I upload here my weekly vlogs, and Thursday my blog, and every day on Insta. That's what I'll do. I have a few other things to do around the house. I may record, I'm not sure, but if I do not check back in today, I will tomorrow. Alrighty. Ciao for now. Bonjour, mes amis. I hope you all can hear me, and I hope this isn't a problem. Wait for Alexa. Off. I have already taken my walk for the day. Got caught in the rain. It's stopped now, but I am about to prepare a decaffeinated cappuccino pour ma mère and a cappuccino pour moi because I just had an espresso for my walk. We just got a really nice like bistro set for the balcony, for the porch. I don't know why I get these mixed up. So I'm hoping we can have our cappuccino out there and yeah, like officially get my day started. So happy that my machine is working. I did that on a separate video. Let me get into this decaffeinated cappuccino pour ma mère and an official cappuccino pour moi. I will check back in when I can. Alrighty, ciao for now. Today we were gonna head to the nursery because I'm gonna do the porch, like the front porch. So I told you all about the bistro set that he built, but it's pouring. I think I showed you all that video. So we're not going anywhere. My mare is going to order takeout and I'm gonna wash clothes. Again, I feel like I'm always washing and folding clothes, but I'll take you all with me to the laundry room so you can see the product that I use. I don't do like a lot of sorting my clothes, pretty much, unless it's white. I put everything in one wash, like one load together. I'm going to link below the washing detergent that I use. It's really good. It's a bit pricey, but a little goes a long way. So let me get out of this because of course I'm washing. This is like my favorite dress. But yeah, so I'll meet you in the laundry room. And if I do not check back in again after the laundry room, ciao for now. Hey, I almost forgot to record. So I am just putting everything. What'd you say, dear? Oh, you're fine. I turn my pieces inside out. I usually measure it, but I'm trying to record. This is actually a lot that I just used, but of course I'm not measuring. This brand makes a lot of different detergents, but there's a very specific one that I use. Again, I will link it below. I wash everything on cold. What are you doing? The husband is harassing me. What am I doing? Normal. Yep. Deep water. I can't do deep water on this. Pre-soak?
It has to be on quick.
For deep water?
Yes.
Okay. You all can tell I usually don't wash my own clothes.
So put it on quick.
No, I'll just do normal.
Or you can open it and push that button.
Push what button?
Silver button.
What silver button?
That silver button.
Oh. See, that's why you should just keep washing my clothes. I don't know what I'm doing. And then we're good, right?
Yeah, push start.
What was the button back there?
That was just for water.
This is too much.
Push and hold it. You gotta press and hold it. There you go.
Well, is the deep water still going to? Okay, alrighty. Ciao for now. I'm trying to record with my man right here. She keeps making me laugh.
Poor man.
Bonjour, mes amis. I hopped on to celebrate. Today is my 100th blog post. I did not. Oh, fly. I didn't know that until after I posted. Had I known it was like 100, I feel like I would have done something a little more sentimental. But head on over to the blog and check it out. It's super short. This is a short one because again, I didn't realize it was 100 posts. But cheers. Ciao for now. It is Friday morning. I have not gone for my walk yet. I had so much stuff to get done. I just wrapped up a few things, so we are heading out to Ikea. I'm super excited. I really love Ikea. I know a lot of people don't, but it doesn't matter. I do. So I'm going to get dressed. I haven't even posted for Insta. Like, I have had so much other stuff to get done. So let me pick out what so disheveled. Okay, so let me pick out what I'm going to wear, and I need to check and see if the cafe is open. I'm hoping they are, because I shouldn't even tell you all this, but I will, because I adore mes amis. Ikea has like the best cappuccinos, so I'm super excited. And of course, because of COVID restrictions, the cafe hadn't been open, so I'm hoping it is. But let me get dressed. I will see you all at Ikea. Alrighty. Ciao for now. See this? I love this. This is what I envision. I want something tall. This little oasis. It's tiny. Right. No, I understand that. But that's the vision. Like, I want something tall. I do love this. I just love something on the island, like something being in the island, whether it's the faucet, like a sink, or the stove. I just really love that.
Well, this one's broken.
Okay.
But when they get so big, the stems start to
fall. Okay.
Because I was going to get this one.
So this isn't a good one
it's a good plant. But when you put it outside, it's going to...
Are trying to fit this plant into a Beamer. 2-door. I am heading to the mall now. I need to make a return and pick up one thing.
Dans un demi-mile, prendre la sortie à droite.
Sure, but I prepared an iced coffee with the hopes that I would not spend money at Nordy's Cafe. A few blogs ago, I spoke all about that, but merci beaucoup for sticking around this long. I appreciate it so much. I enjoy doing these vlogs, and I
prendre la sortie à droite.
So I'll take you all with me at the mall, but just play music. So I will see you all next week. Alrighty, ciao for now.